Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TNZ RV Live. Tony and Michael are out helping a friend move today, and today is my son's birthday. So Andrew, happy birthday. I love you so much. He'll probably go, if he watches it at all. But anyway, I am here sharing my keto journey and my intermittent fasting. And who you hear in the back is Amaya. So she may make an appearance here. I'm not sure. But right now, this is not the end of the week. It is just the roller coaster. And I wanted to talk about that because I remember when I did keto before. And you have those roller coaster periods, but you have it where just as long as they're not going like this, you want them to be going like this. So my roller coaster is going that way. Let me show you where I'm at right now. And my weight, I lost like about 3 pounds one day and then gained back 2 and then lost 1. I'm not really sure what's happening there because my calories and my fasting periods are about the same. So this is why you want to trust the process. Okay, let me find this. I just want to show you the trend. This is from the beginning. Let me see if I can get that to come in there. And then you can see how it's trending downward. Well, up a little bit. Up and then down. So that's what you want to see. My Fitness Pal shows it nicer because their graph is pretty cool. Let me see if I can get to that pretty quickly. Progress. So this is over 3 months. Yeah, there we go. See? So that's nice. So even though you may feel like you're not doing the right thing, you are doing the right thing. We're gonna dance after. She's been wanting to dance to Jerusalem, the Jerusalem dance. She loves that dance. I love it actually because it's good exercise for you. Anyway. What was I gonna say? Hold on, take a sip of coffee. Trust the process. Sometimes it just feels like you're not doing the right thing. I know when I had the weight gain, I knew I was doing the right thing. I did not do anything different or wrong, and I'm sorry if you hear the heat. It's just not a whole lot. It's cold outside, so gotta have the heat on in here. You do keep doing what you're doing. Don't stop. Keep pushing forward. Get in your water, whatever you drink. I combine my water is like water and coffee and tea and my fluids. I get my fluids in. So that's what's important to me. Okay, so far this week it looks like I've only lost 1 pound, but I've lost more than that because I've had a weight gain and then I had a decline, or a weight gain and a decline, weight gain, decline, weight gain, decline. So I'm okay with my little roller coasters because I know that they're going to happen. I'm at the age I don't have to worry about monthly cycles, so that doesn't affect me, but other things do. So I'm just going to keep on doing what I'm doing, and I will show you my foods and my weight at the end. Okay, well, I am in my vehicle, and it is the last day of the week for me, and my weight loss is right here. I'm going to put it right here. So what I lost for the week was 2.6 pounds, and for a total of 22 pounds since February 1st. And I can tell a little bit. I bought me a pair of pants, and I haven't worn pants. I don't even remember the last time I wore pants. It's been that long. But I bought them so that I can walk around the campsite, and I am a size smaller than I was since prior to February 1st. So that feels really good. This week, what I noticed was my weight it went up and down and up and down, and then it started trending down. But what shot me up and my blood glucose was using Boca Sweet. Now, I know there are people that use that product and they don't have an issue with it. But for me, my blood glucoses went from 90s to 130s. And that is a big, gigantic jump for me because I haven't been going above like 110 since I started keto after eating. So I noticed right after eating, it went up that high. And that was the only thing that was different. Took it out of the equation, and my weight loss started coming back down, more consistently, about a half a pound. But I went up 2 pounds without doing anything different. And like I said, I do not have menstrual issues to deal with, so it wasn't because of that. So yeah, I think I want to make sure that I talked about that because those were the things for me. I just went to the market and bought some items for next week, and I'm going to try some turkey burgers. The frozen turkey burgers, I think what I'm going to do is put them in the crock pot and put some sauce over it, and then I'll have a burger a day. So I'll have it for 3 days. I particularly love leftovers, and they taste better like that. And I have some tomatoes left over, so I'm going to make some salsa. And I'm also going to make some cabbage slaw, Oriental style, and put some sesame oil in it and some organic coconut aminos in place of soy sauce, and it's really good. I love it. And I think it was something else that I was going to put in it. Some hot chili sauce, because I love chili sauce. I've been loving chili sauce recently. I finally bought the right chili, the hot chili sauce. I'm going to say I was going to grab it for you, but I'm not going to do that because I have to dig all the way in the back. So that is about it. I just wanted to share with you how my week went and how I felt. I did not talk about that. I felt great. I didn't have any ups or downs. And as far as feeling really, I did feel a little bit sluggish after using the Boca Sweet. And I think I used it in a recipe, or maybe I just put some in my coffee because I had just bought it from Amazon, and so I wanted to see how that was, and that was not good for me. So I'll try it at a later date and see if it's something that I can work with. I may use it in a recipe, or I may use it, see if Tony, honey, will like it. So we'll see. So I hope you guys have a great week. Blessings to you all. And stay healthy. Keep eating keto. Bye. are my egg tacos or burritos. Not burritos, they're just little. I could have browned that more on that side, but I can use this to wrap up to eat like that, or put some. What I'm going to do. Let me show you. See, they're pretty pliable. I'm going to use that to ground up some sausage and some egg, egg and an egg, and wrap that up, put some cheese in it, and eat it. It's made with one. Oh, hold on. Let me get the ingredients. Make sure I'm right. Okay, I'm back. 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 8 egg whites, which is 1.5 cups of the egg whites, and I put 6 tablespoons of water in it. Actually, I ended up putting 2 more, so I put 8 tablespoons of water in it, and you just fry it in a pan.